Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fateh and our today's topic is about network technology. Network technology refers to the various hardware and software component that enable communication and data transfer between devices on a computer network. Here are some key aspects of network technology. Network fundamentals, network topology, LAN, WAN and Wi-Fi, network protocols like TCP, IP and HTTP, FTP, network devices like routers, switches and firewalls, network media like copper, fiber and wireless. These are fundamental of network. Now I am going to discussing architecture network. Network architecture include client server architecture, P2P architecture, hybrid architecture and cloud computing architecture. Network security, firewalls, virtual private network VPNs, intrusion detection system IDS, encryption and access control lists SASELs. Network management like network monitoring, network configuration, network troubleshooting and network optimization, network security management. Network technologies include Wi-Fi, Ethernet, fiber optics, broadband, wireless broadband, network virtualization, software-defined networking (SDN). Network applications, email, file transfer, remote access, video conferencing, online gaming, social media, and cloud computing. Now I am going to discussing some additional topic related to network technology. Network protocols. TCP IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, and DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. SSH stands for Secure Shell, and SSL or TLS stand for Secure Socket Layer, and TLS stand for Transport Layer Security. Network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, network interface cards, NICs, net wireless access points, WAPs, modems, and gateways. Network security, network segmentation, intrusion detection and prevention, system IDPs and virtual private network VPNs, network access control (NAC), encryption, secure socket layer, transport layer security (SSL and TLS), and firewall configuration. Network management, network monitoring, network configuration, network troubleshooting, network optimization, network performance management, and network security management, and network asset management. Network architecture, LAN, LAN, local area network, WAN stand for wide area network, Wi-Fi and WiMAX, MAN stand for metropolitan area network, CAN campus area network, PAN personal area network. Network technologies include Ethernet, fast Ethernet, Gigabyte Ethernet, Wi-Fi 4 or 5 or 6, Bluetooth, NFC, near field communication, RFID, radio frequency identification. Now I am going to elaborating network protocol. TCP and IP, HTTP, FTP, DNS, DHCP, SSH and SSL TLS, and transport layer. Network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, network interface cards, NICs, wireless access points, WAPs, modems, gateways. Network security, network segmentation, intrusion detection and prevention system IDPs, virtual private network VPN, network access control NAC, encryption, secure socket layer, transport layer, and security SSL and TLS, and firewall configuration. Network management include network monitoring, network configuration, network troubleshooting, network optimization, network performance management and network security management thing.